Hello. This is Irene with Soga Talks. Hello, thank you everyone for joining. Hi, just to get this out of the way, follow Soga Talks just right now. Okay, we're on LinkedIn, we're on Twitter, we're on YouTube. We're talking to fascinating people in tech, discussing wide range of topics, all the way from AI trends to automation, to intelligent automation, to metaverse sometimes, to the latest and greatest and the brightest minds in the industry are kind enough with their time, with their contribution to our overall knowledge. All right. And I want to welcome today Anandhi Dhukaram. Anandhi, how are you?
Very good. Thank you. Thank you, Irene, for the wonderful opportunity.
Thank you. Thank you for joining. And I just want to encourage everyone who is following Soga Talks also follow Anandhi because she is a wisdom. She's a wisdom when it comes to AI practices, AI trends, AI partnerships, and everything that comes in that universe. So please follow Anandhi on LinkedIn. We're going to dive into the topic that we announced today. We're going to talk about adoption and data centric culture, but most importantly, AI trends and what are trend chasers actually gaining or losing while following their strategies and approaches. And Ananhi, with your experience, it's absolutely valuable to hear because let's start, all right? Looks like in the universe we're all in that bubble, I call it, all right? Everyone talks about AI, okay? Not even metaverse anymore, okay? Not blockchain anymore, at least where I am, okay? It is AI. It's all about AI investments, AI adoptions, AI knowledge, chat GPT, all right? So we're all there somehow, but it's very important to know from your experience, your work with clients, which AI trends you find the most impactful on industry, on our lives, on our culture.
Yeah, that's a very good way to start because since November, actually, not a day goes by without hearing something about generative AI. So, for people who don't know what exactly is generative AI is artificial intelligence that can create a wide variety of data, such as images, videos, audio, text, and 3D models. And developers are trying to unleash the productivity with generative AI tools. Also, you can see advertisements. We would have all seen in LinkedIn or Facebook. Is this a human or a AI model? And you might be wondering whether I'm a human or an AI here who's been interviewed, because we have also seen videos of people, even like Steve Jobs, who's no more, unfortunately, but he was interviewed earlier. So, and Microsoft is trying to transform user experiences in the Microsoft Word and Excel tools. We see Google is using generative AI in Bard to improve our search experience. And recently, we have seen Amazon chief, he has said how they aim to lead in generative AI. And this week, actually, Unity, they have created a video game maker for adopting AI development tools that can generate dialogue, characters, and landscape. So this way, they can improve the gaming experience for people who are in gaming, who are doing the gaming, as well as they can interact with more lifelike characters, and also it can create dynamic storyline that might be very engaging for people. So there has been a sudden AI shift that has caused a rush among developers and businesses to embrace AI like a gold mine rush. But one thing, whether we like it or not, the genie is out of the box. So there's no way going back. And the good thing about ChatGPT, like Irene mentioned, is that previously, like for example, like my husband, he's a doctor, medical doctor, in 2009 or so, like he went for a conference and he came back home saying like, oh, I can see people using something like iPad and I don't know what is that. It looks like very cool, people are taking notes, so I want to buy an iPad. And I was like, he's not a tech guy, he's a proper medical professional. And I was like thinking, okay, and we bought kids were so excited to buy the iPad, but more than him, it was the kids who were using it, and he didn't know how to use or what to do or things like that. But when ChatGPT came into effect, and he was trying to go to South Africa for a conference early this year, and he was asking me to provide an itinerary, and then he came one day with an itinerary saying, look, I know what to do, and I have an itinerary, and I know where to go and look. And I'm like, wow, okay, so good. So how did you do it? He said, you have you used ChatGPT, he was saying. So I was like, wow, that's a success of ChatGPT, because everybody, like, it has reached broad spot of people to really understand the power of AI. And also after COVID, it has also penetrated so much. It has advanced a lot of areas, especially in healthcare. So people can do, think about our data, can think about technology more than before. So you did do a very good job of bringing AI into the public consciousness of what's possible. And so I think this, it's a lot of people get really excited and they want to jump quickly into AI. So yeah, we are in a very good era now where there's AI. You can't go without AI kind of thing. So everything around us is powered.